Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Government related words. Start. The government may be able to reduce the budget deficit to 4% of the gross domestic product this year, which in actual terms, was estimated at around rupees 179 billion. An effort should be made to further curtail this deficit or at least maintain it at that level next year also. The containment of the fiscal budget is regarded as a key reform as it implies striking a better balance between the government's income and its expenditure. During the current financial year, the overall expenditure was estimated to show a decline against the revised expenditure of the last year. On the other hand, the government's resource position improved due to sharp increase in revenue income, reduction in debt, rescheduling and control over current expenditure. The economic growth must have also been a contributory factor in boosting the resources position. This strategy ought to be pursued with vigor and commitment. The economic recovery has already reached a stage where efforts can be initiated to further reduce the budget deficit. The government resource position is expected to substantially improve in the next financial year. Revenue income is expected to show a healthy trend of growth in the next financial year. As a result of privatization of a number of state enterprises, the government is likely to save billions of rupees, which will be another big advantage. With further widening of the tax base and tax ratio improving from the existing around 12% quite substantially, it should be possible to move towards greater financial consolidation. The end.